Proven tips to help you use email marketing effectively. There are few businesses that wouldn't benefit from an effective email campaign. The key to an efficient email marketing campaign is to reach out to the right people and offer them things that they want. The information in this video will help you do just that by giving you advice and tips to make the most of your email marketing. Always get permission. Unsolicited email is not welcome, and in certain cases, can get your ISP blocked. When contacting someone, always include a newsletter or an offer, this way the customer has the chance to agree to receive your messages. The last thing you want is to be branded a spammer. Insert a link to your subscription form into your marketing newsletters. That way, if your customers forward marketing emails to their friends can easily subscribe to your list too. Using this strategy makes it easy for you to build a large list of potential customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails. If you want your email marketing messages to be successful, make sure you have permission to send them. If you do not have permission from your recipients, the potential consequences can range from being added to spam filters all the way up to getting blacklisted by internet service providers themselves. You should generate one crystal clear message for every email that you send. You don't want to bore or overwhelm your customers with too much content in the emails you send out. Develop one key message and ensure it's short and brief. This will attract more readers, which will translate to more customers. People like things to be simple. As previously noted above, there are few businesses that wouldn't benefit from the use of an effective email marketing campaign. The information and advice from the video above will help you craft and launch a marketing campaign that will offer your loyal customers what they want and to bring potential customers to your business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.